I'm using green prawns to do this. So I've got 280 grams of prawns. And now I'm just taking my mallet and putting it onto a piece of greaseproof paper and smashing them down. And then just put those into a bowl and just do all the prawns like that. I've got 2 cloves of garlic, which I'm going to just be using my little garlic crusher and crushing them up. So it's quite nicely crushed. I'm just going to add that to the prawns. To the prawn mixture, I'm adding a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of chicken stock powder, a cupful of Chinese wine, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, a tablespoon of corn flour, and then we just mix that all together. I'm using these wonton wrappers. I've taken 1 wonton off and we're using a teaspoon of filler. Have a small bowl of water so you can dip your finger in for when you're sealing them. Roll the pastry around, wet the end of it and stick it down like that. And now you're taking the side piece and you sort of like curling it around the side on both sides and wetting the one piece so that you can stick it on top of the other one like that. So that's what your little wonton should look like. And then just do all your wontons the same. So we've done all our wontons. To deep fry them, I'm using a large wok and I've poured 1 litre of oil in there. And now I'm just heating it up. When you're cooking them, it's preferable to have a spatula or a spoon that has got slits in it so that the oil can drain as you're taking them out. Using the chopstick to test that the oil is hot enough. So as you can see, there's bubbles coming off the chopstick. That means the oil is hot enough. So we can start putting them in. Just do a small amount at a time. And then we're going to cook them until they're golden brown. So they're just about ready to come out. So you can see they're nice and golden. And now we take them out and put them onto a paper plate. And then start the next batch. So we've got the wontons prepared and we're serving it with some chili sauce, garlic sauce and sweet and sour sauce, all extremely yummy.
Mommy.
Oh. They don't last very long. Thank you so much for watching.